Avila. Avila.
Ang kawaso ay ang reading and assessment. Paano mo magbasahin sa rate?
Reading and assessment are essential components of teaching, and integrated technology tools help teachers manage learning tasks
Okay. Dito ay ito ang pinakamalaking bahagi ay pinaka-importanting bahagi ng pagtuturo ng isang guro. Dahil dito ay nagbibigay ng pagtatayang isang guro na kung saan malalaman niya kung may natutunan ba ang isang estudyante. Sa tulong ng technology, dito ay hindi na lang ano-ano pang gumawa ng isang pagtatayang isang guro. Maaari siyang gumamit ng mga apps na kung saan doon niya malalaman ang score ng mga mag-aaral. Maaari ding automatic siya mag-check ng mga correct ng mga answer ng mga mag-aaral. Naintindihan ba? May pag-uusap. Ito yung mga tools na maaaring gamitin ng isang guro sa silid-aralan. Una ay Grammarly, Breakdown, Microsoft, Google Forms, Thingiverse, saka Breakdown at saka Google. Pag meron ka naman ng mga
Grammarly lang.
yung breakdown ay may papakita ko dito sa inyo para maaari na itong explore.
Solutions were designed to help minimize educator workloads and maximize student learning. In fact, creating, administering, and grading assessments on paper, online, or both is easier than ever. Simply convert your existing assessments or create new assessment opportunities using diverse question types that support your goals. Help students prepare for standardized testing with multiple choice and number grids. Gather important feedback from basic constructive responses like fill in the blank that can be graded on handwriting recognition. Evaluate project and performance-based learning using teacher-scored rubrics, or have students demonstrate their understanding, show their work, or creatively express their ideas in an open response format. Then post the assignment to the student portal for online access and instant grading, or print it on regular paper to quickly scan and score for immediate results. The actionable and shareable data can be viewed and compared in any number of meaningful and useful ways to identify areas of need, to group students or target instruction, to bolster PLC conversation, or to categorize demographics and subgroups for reporting purposes. Grades can even be automatically transferred into any digital grade book. But best of all, Gradient works seamlessly with your current curriculum, systems, and processes. Because when we say we're here to help, we mean it.
Naintindihan ba? Yung automatic na check at magbibigay ng score sa mga mag-aaral. Time management at organization. Bali mo mabasahin yung inyong ID.
Time management and organization. Effective time management is essential for teachers to handle lesson planning, grading, and student engagement initiatives.
Alam naman natin na ang guro ay maraming mga gawain at pupuli ng isang guro. Dahil dito ay yung isang guro ay dapat maging time management siya at organization sa lahat ng bagay. At dahil dito ay maaari siyang gumamit ng mga apps na kung saan may ugnay
Ang Notion.
Ito yung mga apps na maaaring maglagay ng mga gawain ng guro din. Yung deadline niya kung saan niya. Yung Evernote, may nakalagay ng video at papakita ko sa inyo para mas maintindihan mo.
Is organized. Evernote brings your notes, to-dos, and schedule together to help you accomplish anything. I'm sorry, anything? Because I sometimes get these ideas that I think could lead to something big. But before I do anything about them, they're gone. Oh, see, that was a good one. Let's bring it back. Capture any idea, no matter when it comes, so you can find it fast and build on it later.
Okay, but my projects are piling up, and I have to manage to-dos for all of them. Can you help me out?
We have your tasks organized by project or due date, and we can even help you prioritize your...
Hold on. That one's due today. That means I have to hunt down a bunch of notes and files and links and...
Actually, all your tasks live inside your notes, right with all your docs, PDFs, links, and web pages.
Sorry, just one more thing. I've got so much going on, and sometimes things get lost in the shuffle. Can I get a reminder? Okay, good. I'm good now.
I hear you, Dad. My schedule is packed, and I have to keep track of it.
Communication and collaboration. Mali mo mabasahin yung divining with
Communication and collaboration. Effective communication is essential for seamless interactions between teachers, students, and parents.
ito yung pakikipag-ugnayan ng guro sa kanyang mag-aaral at sa kanyang sa parents ng mag-aaral. Dahil dito ay ang pakikipag-ugnayan ay nagbibigay siya ng daan upang mas maayos ang pakikipagtungo niya sa kanyang parents. At dahil dito, yung mga assignment or mga mahalagang information ay naipapahayag niya ng maayos. Naiintindihan mo ba?
Opo.
Marunong siya gumamit ng mga apps na gaya ng Slack, Remind, WhatsApp, Google Drive, Zoom, Padlet, Google Meet, and Blackboard. Dito yung, di ba, alam naman natin ang Padlet, Google Drive, at Google pa. Dito yung video call tayo na yung sa pandemic pa. Dito ay yung patuloy pa rin yung pagkatuto natin dahil sa mga apps na. Then last is
It helps teachers like Elena save time by keeping her students engaged and on track. It lets David extend learning beyond the classroom walls without sharing any phone numbers. With Remind, Michael can stay on top of any last-minute changes with instant communication. Bill can encourage his players. Amanda can focus on the students that need her most. And effectively collaborate with their parents. And most importantly, Remind helps teachers like Amy to support their students and make an impact.
yung apps na yun ay tinatawag na Remind. Sa kabuuan, napakahalaga talaga yung mga tools na ginagamit natin dahil dito ay napakahusay nito ang kalidad ng edukasyon at nabibigyang produktibo ang mag-aaral ng mga guro sa kanyang mga student. Yan ang question.